see this kind of numbers like 7, I'm just telling you 777 or 777, or you see something like 444, 444, or you will see says mm, 888 and 888 and this way. So in all these cases, there is only one way to solve, and this is what we do. As in, like, we make it 999. Somehow we try to make it by taking something common and dividing by something. So in this case, what I'll do is I will write it as 7 by 9, and this will be 9 plus 99 plus 999, and so on and so forth, right? And this 2, I can write it as 7 by 4. No, not 7 by 4, 4 by 9. 4 by 9, 9 plus 99 plus 999, and so on and so forth. Here too, I can write it as 8 by 9, 9 plus 99 plus 999, and so on and so forth. So you can see, like, if you multiply this, this will 9 will get cancelled. This will be 7, 9, 11. Then there will be 11 plus 7, 11 into 7, 11, 77. Then 1 into 7 will be 777, and so on and so forth, right? So why did we do that? Because that after that it makes my life easier. Like, I'll just take the first year 7 and 9. Again, I can write it as 10 minus 1. And again, why I'm doing it, you will see in a bit. And I can write it as 100 minus 1. This one I can write it as 1000 minus 1. And then I'm just saying up to n terms. This is what is happening. So then here this will become 7 by 9. This will become, now I'm looking at 10 and 10. 10, I mean, I'm just clubbing this together. 100 square, then 10 square, then 10 cube, and it is going up to n terms. Okay. And this minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 are n terms, n times. So this will be minus n, because minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, n times. So now again, this has become, as you can see, this is a GP, this is the same thing. So this will be 7 by 9, and this will be a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus n. Then you can write this as 7 by 9 into 10 into 10 raised to the power n minus 1 by 9. Okay.